Dobro večer. Mi smo Burning Circle iz Rume. A svirat ćemo večeras dve pesme sa našeg prvog albuma Ruins of Mankind. A prva će biti What Would Life Be, jedna balada, dok će druga pesma biti malo agresivnija. Želimo da malo napravimo jednu raznoliku varijantu, to nismo do sada radili, sa samo dve pesme na svirci, tako da ako uspijemo u tome što smo naumili, bit će okej. If I could find the word no one has ever heard, I couldn't be more wrong. Still the same old song. Fear me not, 'cause all I've got is here and now, one and only shot. So how about some old-fashioned love, still a part of forever, and bring me to each other's end. Hold me close tonight, I feel I'm drowning. All I need's your smile to cure this frowning. Take my hand and hush my cries. We'll live again the fairy tale tonight. What will I be without love when it's raining in heaven and skies are falling apart? Without love, lonesome forever, only sorrow and eternal time. Between woman and man, I cry to the forever. I envy the infidel, alone in my heaven, alone in my hell. Steal the part of forever and frame me in each other's soul. What would I be without love when it's raining?